Welcome to DaVinci Resolve Explained. In this video, we'll explore free professional video editing software that delivers industry-standard results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, DaVinci Resolve offers powerful tools without the premium price tag. Let's dive in and discover how you can create professional quality videos for free. So why should you choose DaVinci Resolve? First, it's completely free. You get professional features without any subscription costs or watermarks on your final videos. Second, it's the industry standard. Professional studios worldwide use DaVinci Resolve for color grading and editing tasks. Third, it's packed with powerful tools. You'll have access to advanced color correction, effects, and audio mixing capabilities right out of the box. Finally, it works across all major platforms. Whether you use Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, DaVinci Resolve is available for your system. Before you install DaVinci Resolve, let's check if your computer meets the system requirements. For the processor, you'll need at least an Intel Core i5 or equivalent AMD processor. 8 or more cores are recommended for smooth playback during editing. For RAM, 8 GB is the minimum for HD editing, but 16 GB is recommended if you plan to work with 4K video projects. Finally, storage is important. Use a solid-state drive, or SSD, for your cache and media files whenever possible. Make sure you have at least 50 GB of free space available for the software installation and your video projects. DaVinci Resolve has 4 main workspaces, each designed for specific tasks. The Cut workspace is perfect for quick editing and timeline control, ideal when you need to work fast. The Edit workspace is the full editing environment where you'll arrange clips, add effects, and apply transitions. The Color workspace is dedicated to professional color grading, where you can adjust colors and tone to match your creative vision. And finally, the Fusion workspace lets you create visual effects and motion graphics. Each workspace is specialized, but they all work together seamlessly within the same project. Let's explore the Edit workspace in detail. The Edit workspace gives you a multi-track timeline with unlimited layers, so you can work with as many video and audio tracks as you need. You can easily drag and drop clips from your media library onto the timeline. If you need to remove gaps between clips, use the Ripple Edit feature to automatically close the spaces. You'll also find trim and slip editing tools for precise control over your clips. For effects and transitions, you have access to a built-in library with hundreds of options. You can apply smooth transitions between clips to create polished sequences. Use keyframe animation to create dynamic effects that change over time. And best of all, you can preview effects in real time as you're editing. The Color workspace is where DaVinci Resolve truly shines. You have access to curves and histogram adjustments for precise color control. Use the Scopes feature to analyze your colors scientifically and ensure accuracy. Color wheels let you adjust shadows, midtones, and highlights independently. You can apply and create lookup tables, or LUTs, to apply consistent color styles. The qualifier tools let you select and adjust specific colors in your footage. Plus, you have integration with Fairlight for audio post-production work. For professional workflows, you can work with grading nodes to build complex color correction chains. The software supports real-time playback with GPU acceleration, so you can see your changes instantly. You can even work with raw video formats and create HDR content for modern displays. A typical video editing project follows a basic workflow. First, import and organize your media. Import all your video and audio files into DaVinci Resolve. Create bins to organize your clips logically. Label and tag your clips so you can find them easily later. Set up your timeline with the correct resolution and frame rate to match your project requirements. Next comes the Edit and Enhance phase. Arrange your clips on the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Trim and adjust the duration of each clip to get the exact length you need. Add transitions between clips for smooth flow. Finally, apply color correction and mix your audio to create a polished final product. When you're ready to finish your project, you need to export it. Common export formats include MP4, which is the universal format used for web and social media. MOV files offer high quality and are often used on macOS and in professional environments. ProRes is a professional intermediate codec that's perfect for high-quality editing. When exporting, pay attention to these key settings. Resolution should match your project settings, whether that's 1080p, 4K, or another format. Bitrate affects quality and file size, so choose higher bitrates for better quality if file size allows. Match your frame rate to your timeline frame rate to maintain consistency. For audio, use AAC codec for web distribution or PCM for high-quality exports. To become proficient with DaVinci Resolve, follow these professional tips. For project management, save frequently and use version control by saving multiple versions of your project. Organize your media into logical bins and use descriptive names for your sequences so you can find things quickly. Back up your projects to external storage to prevent losing your work. For performance optimization, use proxy media to improve editing speed with high-resolution footage. Adjust playback quality settings based on your computer's capabilities. Cache optimized media to speed up rendering times. Close unnecessary panels to reduce clutter and improve your workspace. For color and audio, always use the scopes for accurate color grading. Create adjustment layers to make global changes that affect multiple clips. Normalize your audio levels before mixing to ensure consistent sound. Finally, use reference monitors for color accuracy if possible. For workflow efficiency, learn keyboard shortcuts to edit faster. Use templates for consistent project setup across multiple videos. Batch render multiple export formats at once, and explore the Fusion page to unlock advanced visual effects capabilities. Now that you understand the basics of DaVinci Resolve, here are resources to continue learning. Check out the official DaVinci Resolve tutorials and documentation on the Blackmagic Design website. Visit the DaVinci Resolve YouTube channel for comprehensive guides and tutorials. Join the community forums to get support from other users. Consider taking online courses and certification programs to deepen your skills. To practice what you've learned, try creating simple travel montage videos. Edit short interview or podcast clips to master the edit workspace. Practice color grading with sample footage to develop your eye for color. Experiment with effects and transitions to build confidence. Remember, DaVinci Resolve empowers creators to produce professional quality videos without breaking the bank. Start creating today and join thousands of content creators who have chosen DaVinci Resolve as their video editing software.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.